to Tonic Studios. Today you've got me, Karen, and the amazing Jodie Johnson. She's brought us this wonderful Tonic Train and Carriage die set.
All I can say is OMG. It's amazing.
Jode, what are you doing to us? Why are you bringing us these amazing things?
You know when you look at something and you go, wow. Yeah, that was my first reaction when I saw it on the desks upstairs.
I know.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
Even before anything was sent out to the design team members, it was just literally, that is amazeballs. It really is.
But haven't they done an amazing job?
Oh, they've done an absolute cracking job. So what you have got is you've got your die set there. And this is the brand new packaging. It's the first time I've ever seen it. Yeah, it is brilliant. So inside there, you've got your 60 dies, okay?
60?
60 dies.
And your instructions, of course, because they're all printed on the packaging now.
They are. So you've got everything that you need in there. You've got all your inspiration on the back as well. And it's little folders, so you can keep it on your shelf. Just put your magnetic sheet inside.
Fantastic.
Absolutely brilliant. But I've got to say,
do you know when we get pieces like this in, when you can see that the design team have had an absolute whale of a time?
Yes.
just the love of it.
I know.
I mean, if you've got a Christmas tree at home, yeah, look at this one that's been done. This has got the 25 boxes. Yeah, for your advent calendar.
And this is our Sue, isn't it? Sue has made these.
But what
wow.
But what I want you to think about is just pure decoration. You don't do the advent, but you've got the trains going all the way around. You know, when you put your skirt on the Christmas tree.
Yes.
You just put them all the way around the skirt of the Christmas tree.
She started with the engine there, and she's got 24 little carriages.
And get a little bit of it in.
She's got, I know, she's got the caboose at the end here, number 25.
Is that what it's called?
It's a caboose, isn't it?
Is that the posh name for it?
I think that's a caboose, isn't it?
It's not the end carriage.
It's the, all right, you can have the end carriage if you want. But I'm having a blimmin' caboose, and it's the train and the caboose. And she's got
the little elves.
The little elves inside there. Do you remember those?
I do.
They were a long time ago. These are Sue's favourite dies. And she said
They were actually a Tonic magazine.
Were they?
Yes, they were.
No, the elf wasn't a magazine. The Carol Singers were the magazine. The elf was in the Buildables, the Christmas Buildables.
Were they really?
They were in the Christmas Buildables.
It's going back some time.
I know,
now.
it really is. And she said she's definitely made one of these into Crafty Simon, the naughty elf. And if you knew Crafty Simon, I can tell you that is a very, very good description. He is a naughty little elf.
He is, absolutely. So Christmas papers, absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
But maybe you've got a husband who is actually into his train tracks.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What a nice way of putting some little treats in there for Christmas Day. I mean, not being funny, nice sized boxes.
Yeah.
You could get aftershave in there.
Yeah.
Maybe, rather than...
Do you know what you can
rather
get?
than put his socks, wrap his socks, you could roll his socks
You could.
in there.
Well, I was thinking of miniatures.
Yeah.
Can you tell Laura's not here? I've got to bring the miniatures myself. I've got to mention the alcohol.
Yeah. But you've got all the different ones. So your train, your carriages, the wheels and everything. But I'm going to show you one now. Okay. You know when something arrives and you go, yeah, and that's the only reaction you can have. Yeah. It's not, oh, how pretty is it? Oh, look at that. It's like, I love that. Look at this one.
Oh my goodness. Look at him falling out to you. He's falling out.
Number 2.
Let's try number 2. Where are we going to get him? Can we push this one back on the box?
I've got it.
You got him? She got him.
Just look at him. He's absolutely brilliant. So they are all knitted. They're just amazing. Now I want to tilt it forward if I can. There's even the sacks.
Oh, wow.
Knitted sacks inside.
I did not see that.
For Santa's presents. But those elves are... I'm going to take one out. Because they're just...
Can you take them out? Or I think she might have stuck them on.
No.
Is he just... Yeah, I think he's stuck on.
He's stuck on.
Yeah, she stuck him in.
I'll take him off later.
She can take him home and cuddle him.
They're
amazing,
Can we see close up the faces?
Look at their little faces.
They're just cheeky.
Oh, my goodness me. So this came in from our Christine. And Christine's mum, Susan, she makes us all of these fantastic little knitted creatures.
Amazing.
She does little animals for us. So whenever Christina's got a nice 3D launch, she did us the little lovebirds. Yeah, she did us Jack and Jill for the wishing well. Whenever Christine's
Bluebird.
Yeah, we had the bluebirds in the birdhouse, didn't we?
Genie in the teapot.
Yes, we did. We've had bookworms.
Yes.
Do you remember the little mini book?
Yeah.
We had bookworms in the mini book.
Yeah.
Did she make a present for Leo as well?
She made a present for Leo this week.
Yeah.
She made her a colourful dinosaur because of Leo's dinosaur dress.
Oh,
she made a beautiful dinosaur for Leo as well. And all we can say is thank you so much, Susan. They're amazing.
They bring these 3D makes to life.
They do. They really do. I've lost a bit.
I'm lost. Hold on, I need to turn my carriage round.
There you go.
Here we go.
But you've got the little bull bars on the front and everything. Look at that. You see the front of it there. You've just got these little bull bars to clear the way on the tracks as you go.
They're just absolutely superb. As I say, if you've got a train enthusiast in your house, maybe you're going to do... this is going back a bit. So if you're going to do an LNER, are they green?
Oh, right, okay.
I'm sure they're green, yeah. But, train drivers in the family.
Definitely.
Lottery ticket in the back on there, place card on there. Use them as a decoration on your Christmas table.
Or
Or
going up your tree.
Oh,
so if you're going to do a long one like this advent calendar,
yes,
you could start at the bottom of your tree. Or if you had a smaller tree, maybe in a kid's bedroom.
Yeah. I tell you what, Alex, you can make it. I'll put it on my tree.
Sue's already made it for you. They're just perfect.
They are. I can't really explain.
And this is one of our Darcy's die sets.
When something takes your breath away,
yeah,
it's just beautiful. It's absolutely.
And we've had a little
gorgeous.
Sneak peek of them on social media, and there has been so much chatter about the train. And here it is. Here it is, just for you.
I mean, have you seen the? Can you just get that back carriage if you're connected?
Where's the
on the
this
front?
Isn't all of them. There's more of these.
On the front here, can you see it actually says North Pole?
I've lost my safari. We've got a safari.
We've got the North Pole.
There's a second. Have you only opened one basket?
The front there.
Yeah. I think so.
Well, there is another basket
somewhere. Oh, is there really? Oh.
Yeah, I did bring another basket in.
Oh, look at all these behind us. Well. Do you want to see what I've got here?
I've lost my candy cane. Let me just put these to one side. Because
I've got another one of Sue's here, and I have to show you this one because if you bought our Wild About Zoo, look at this. It is absolutely amazing.
Look at this for a children's party. Just having all the decorations on the table. You've got your little characters in there as well. Just look how sweet that is. Even coming around to the carriage front, look.
And I've got the
Tonic Safari.
Tonic Safari. I've got the other one of Jodie's favourites. So I'm gonna go down here and get this one out.
I'm gonna bring this one in. Look, baby girl. That one's been remove the monkey so it don't look like it's coming over the top of the feathers. But look at that one for the baby girl. How beautiful.
Isn't that stunning?
Is that? It's absolutely gorgeous.
I love it. Shall we?
Yeah.
Shall we board the ghost train?
Yeah.
All aboard, peeps. All aboard. Isn't that amazing? It's another one of our Sue's.
Wouldn't it go, ooh, ooh.
Oh. Wah, wah, wah.
Oh,
Can't
blimey.
win, man.
They just are the perfect in every way.
They really are. They really are. We've just had so much fun making them because we made them for the packaging.
Yeah.
And then they went out to the girls. And when the girls come up with something like this, this is when you know you've got a sellout. Shall I say?
Absolutely. I mean, who watches Snowpiercer?
Oh, right, okay.
The little grid at the front,
Yeah.
front there is like the Snowpiercer one. But I'm looking at it, Kat, and I don't know how I'd do it, but I'm looking at it.
Right.
And I'm thinking that could quite easily be a baby's pram.
Righty-ho. I've got you.
Bringing that back
Yeah.
down as an arch
Uh-huh.
and putting the handle
Coming off there.
on that side. You've got a little baby's pram as well.
Yeah.
They're just so sweet, so pristine in everything. I mean, this one here that we just looked at. Look at this steam coming out of the chimney on the acetate, and it's just little snowflakes.
Yeah.
The
And
detail.
the snowflakes are in the set. So you've got all those little Christmas decorations. You've got baby girl, baby boy. You've got the Christmas decorations in there, little Christmas lights, a little wreath. Obviously, all of the pieces you need to make your train. But you can theme them as you want.
I like the North. Is the North Pole in there as well?
North Pole is in there. Yep. What have we got on the back? We've got For You. So you've got, should we read through the sentiments?
Absolutely. Go for it.
So
if
we've
you can
got,
read it backwards.
I can read them backwards. Oh, I haven't got. I think I might have to change my glasses. I got ho ho ho. I've got baby boy. I've got baby girl, and I've got a lovely string of lights.
Yeah.
There. I have got
Oh, good luck.
North Pole For You. What does that one say there? Jingle bells. That's what I've got. That's my sentiments. Yeah. For You. North Pole. Jingle bells. Baby girl in a banner, baby boy in a banner, and ho 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 in a banner, like the Christmas lights.
Absolutely beautiful.
I love it.
They just
love it.
The brill.
And she has managed to get so much on this die set. She's done very, very, very well.
It's a barn as well.
It's a barn.
It's a barn as well.
Right, okay, go on then.
2 of those dice backwards.
Right.
Roof going down.
Born in a barn.
Because these panels look like a barn.
They do. They do. They look like a barn door.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah. Absolutely. Amazeballs. They really are. I love the wheels.
I love the wheels. They're so good.
The wheels are absolutely brilliant.
Well,
in
we've
there.
got a little... when I contact the girls about work and things, and if they've got any questions, they contact me on Facebook about it.
Yeah.
So we've got a little messenger group. I put a messenger group for each launch so that if they don't get packaged dies, they get sample dies.
I don't even have a name on my dice.
This is the way the girls have them as well. So they have a sample die, and then I'm rootling around trying to get them instructions.
Yeah.
So everything goes in our little messenger group for each launch. And Sue posted a photo of the amount of wheels that she had cut. And all of these are double. So she's doubled up on all the wheels. So there was just a big mound of wheels. She sat in front of the TV, happily cutting her little wheels.
Yeah, why not? If you've got grandchildren, do you know what I mean?
Wouldn't they just love that?
They're absolutely
Wouldn't you
beautiful.
think that, I mean, if that was on, if I just made like this size and put it in front of my TV, then I remember I had made a sleigh.
Yep.
With the reindeers that we had. They were flat reindeers. I had made them into 3D using a little box in between them. And Amelia, when she was little, had all little Peppa Pig figures all inside the sleigh.
Our lovely Laura's been in today, and her little girl straight up to it. I like that, Mummy.
Yeah, she did.
Do you know what I mean?
She did.
So it's just like, it's beautiful for whether you're using them as Christmas decorations, whether you use them as table decorations, whether you're using them through. Because let's face it, it doesn't have to be Christmas, does it?
It does not.
It could
indeed.
be all year round. Maybe it's your little boy's party who likes train sets.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't matter how old that little boy is. It could be 5. It could be 50. Yeah. if he's into trains,
if he's your little boy, he's your little boy.
Yeah. So you can do this and put all your little sweets in there. It doesn't have to be a lot in each one. It could even be down the centre of the table at Christmas.
Wouldn't that
and
be
it
lovely?
could be a nut bar. All different nuts, all different sweets going down the centre of the table. Maybe you're having a dinner party.
Delicious.
You could put a little plastic tray in there. You could have olives, pickles.
I was thinking that.
All the way down your table.
Yeah,
It'd look
fill 'em-
absolutely
Yeah,
beautiful.
line them with plastic and just use them like that. But I really like the idea of just little nibbles in them.
Or a dip tray.
Yeah.
A dip tray. A dip train.
Train. That's what I meant to say, but it's been a long week.
Do you think?
Yeah, I can hardly talk no more. So yeah, it's got absolutely beautiful. Now, I highly suggest, do not be late.
Don't wait.
Because this is going to go
Only because
crazy.
of that sneak peek, and I think that we've got a sell out on our hands. So please, please, please get them while you can. You can get this on our website now. You've got your 10% off if you're a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, and that will automatically be applied to your account as long as you're logged in. Make sure you log in. You can pay in installments with ClearPay, ShopPay or PayPal. And don't forget to tag us in your makes.
I'm nosy.
We absolutely love to see what you're making. We say it every time.
Absolutely.
And it sounds like a line, and it really, really isn't, because we hope that we inspire you, but you also inspire us.
Absolutely, we do.
We love to see what you make. You need to like our channel. You need to like our video. So you subscribe, you like, you hit the notification bell.
Ding!
And you will never miss a video from us. What can I say apart from choo-choo! All aboard! Happy crafting, everyone!